Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here before you barefaced, which means we're going to be jumping into my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month. I'm going to be jumping into everything in this box. We're going to go over everything that's inside, full demos, applications, reviews, and try-ons of everything in this box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. And that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So a lot of the items in this box, actually, 4 of the 5 items in this box are duplicates because I either already have them in my collection or they did come in my BoxyCharm premium box, which I am going to link up here. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway for all those remaining items. So if you want to enter to win 4 of the 5 items in this box, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. And that will enter you to win 4 out of these 5 products. I will make sure to tell you in the video which items will be and which will not be in the giveaway. So if you're interested in seeing all of the items in this month's BoxyCharm, keep on watching. So first thing out of the box, even before the theme card, there is a Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer Sample Pack. This is actually in here because BoxyCharm is opening up complexion. So in the future, BoxyCharm will be sending us complexion products, foundations, and concealers. And in order to do that, they need a better idea of what our shades are. So the base box does come with the complexion samples for you guys to go through, see which shade is a little bit better for you, go online, take a little quiz, and that's going to help them send the right shades when the time comes. Next out of the box is going to be the BoxyCharm Stellar theme card. My variation is variation number 6, and I actually think it's really cute. Like the celestial vibes, it works with the palette, it works with everything. So the first actual item out of the box, this is actually from BoxyCharm. This is a 2-piece brush set. Create your favorite looks in total luxury, which is our first ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. Large multi-purpose powder brush for all liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base, ultra soft, handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. They retail for $35. These are going into the giveaway because I did get duplicates from my premium box. So I'm going to be using the brushes from my previous. So I'm going to be using the brushes from my premium box today. These ones are going to go right into the giveaway. So the next item out of the box, this is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. This is actually mine, which I have already used. It is a beautiful formula. I can tell you that right away. But because I have 2, the one that I have not used is going right into this giveaway as well. So I will be using the 3 brushes that did not come in this box. These came in my premium box. So I'm going to be using these brushes to achieve a look with this palette. So let's see how it works. I am going to tell you, I've already done a full review of this palette. I will link it up here so you guys know I already love the palette. The formula is amazing, but just for the sake of it, I am going to give you guys a review. I'm just going to quickly prime my eyes off camera, and then I'll be right back to go into the shadow. So I'm going to be using the BoxyCharm Premium Eye Brushes and the BoxyCharm Base Box Celestial Thunder Palette to create a quick look. I'm just going to drop some footage in, and then at the end I'll give you my thoughts on how the brushes performed, and you'll see how the shadows performed. I am going to do something a little grungier and a little smoky. So I'm going to take the shade Zero Gravity on the crease brush, and I'm just going to take that into the crease. Okay, so right off the bat, this brush is depositing just a little bit too much color, and the blend is just a little bit harsh. I feel like that is a product that, or that is a brush that might work a little bit better with a cream product as opposed to a powder, or I just need to go in with a lighter hand, because notice once I went in with a softer brush with no product, it was much easier to blend out. Now obviously that could just be human error, but I've used these shadows before. I've actually used them 2 or 3 times, and I know I like the formula. I'm just jumping into Lunar Eclipse, which is this warm orange shade right here, and I'm just going to blend out the crease. When I go super cool toned on the eyes, and I say this in like every video, I do like to make sure the crease is just a hair warmer, just because I find that it makes the blend a little bit more intentional. Next on the Packer brush, I'm going to take Black Matter, which is, honestly, it's a really pretty shade. And I do think that these shadows do perform really nicely dry. But for the sake of intensity, and because it's how I like them a little bit more, I am going to add a little bit of setting spray to the tip of my brush, just for a little more intensity. So in the pan, this looked a lot more black. On the eye, it's going on a lot more purple, which I'm not mad at, but this brush really isn't depositing as much color. I feel like this would probably be something that would be better with, again, a cream product or for legit, like, packing. But with a metallic shade, I always find the fingertips just do something magical. See how much easier that was? And taking a tiny bit more of Lunar Eclipse, that bricky orangey shade, I'm just going to blend the crease a little bit more. Taking a tiny bit more of Zero Gravity, that gray, I'm just going to deepen up the outer portion of the eye. And then once more with that blending brush, I'm just going to diffuse the color. So next item out of the box, I am going to tie up the lower lash line later, but it's really, I mean, again, I love this palette already. You already know that. You saw that up there. Next product out of the box. This is from Lily Lashes, and this apparently is a style made, I mean, I don't know if the style is exclusive to BoxyCharm, but let's take a look. Lily Lashes Faux Mink Lashes, a luxury and glamorous pair of handcrafted false lashes that flawlessly blend in with your natural lashes, adding length, volume, and definition. Perfect finishing touch to any look. They retail for $25. I have worn Lily Lashes in the past. I am a huge fan of the lashes in general. So these are the style CEO, which I believe is a lash they already had. This is going to be the only item in this entire unboxing that is not going in the giveaway, because I'm putting them on right now. They look really pretty. The fibers actually look like a cross between Mykonos and Miami. So I'm going to apply these. I'm not going to do a full tutorial on how to do false lashes. I will link a video above there where I did do that, but I'm going to give you guys a quick little how-to. So first thing I do quickly is I just line this up on the eye to see how much I need to trim. So I'm going to need to take off one cluster from this. So I do trim off from the outside, not the inside. Then I'm just going to wiggle the band slightly to make sure that it is not super stiff. I'm going to grab it in my tweezer and apply a little bit of lash glue. Then I give this about 30 seconds to dry down a little bit so it gets tacky. And then once it's tacky, I'm just going to basically press that right on my lash line, just above my natural lash, just like that. It is going to look a little weird because I do not have anything on my lower lash line yet. So it's going to look a little off and a little top heavy for now. But once I put everything else on, it's not going to look nearly as dramatic. Then what I do is I go in with my lash crimper and I just lightly stamp. And what that does is it just makes sure that my natural lashes and the false lashes are pressed together. Some people will recommend putting mascara on through your lashes and the falsie. I don't like doing that because it does actually decrease the wear of the fake lashes. So right now I am going to say that these are really pretty. I think they give a really nice effect on the eye. I mean, looking on, they look pretty intense, but you can still see my eyeshadow through it. So all in all, I think these are stunning. So I'm going to go throw on the other lash, and I'll be right back to go over the next product in the box. So next item out of the box, this comes from Kypris Beauty, and this is the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. It is lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants. Nurturing amino acids and an array of soothing botanicals used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. This retails for $90. This is actually going right in the giveaway because I do already have it, and as you can see, I have really been enjoying it. So I'm going to drop that right into the giveaway box. And I've actually noticed that I really like this to prep the skin before makeup because I find it just gives a healthy amount of glow, a little bit of hydration. It's almost like a serum and lightweight moisturizer in one. And it just adds the most beautiful, almost filter to the skin underneath everything. Beautiful. So now that that is on, I am going to tie up the rest of the face and I will be back in to jump into the last item in the box. All right, so the last item out of the box, this is from Dose of Colors. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick. It is a velvety high fashion matte which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color, applies creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. This retails for $18. I got it in this shade Charmed. As you guys know, and I will link the video up here where I went over all of these, I did get all 4 Dose of Colors lipsticks in PR, and I did swatches, I did all of that. I think I am going to put on the shade Charm. So I am going to use the one that did come in my box. So I'm going to use Charm, but this one is going in the giveaway because I don't need to put on a second one. I already have it. So I'm going to drop that into the giveaway box, and I'm going to apply this. I can already tell you it is a super comfortable formula. It is beautifully comfortable, long wearing, and I love the pigmentation. Look. One swipe pigment. All right, I'm going to go put this on and actually take the time to make it look good, and I'll be right back. So you ever have those days where your lip line just keeps getting bigger and bigger because you just keep overlining and overlining and overlining? Well, that's me today, and honestly, it's like 9:30 at night and I'm ready for bed. So I'm not even going to bother really it's fine. I'm good with it. Anyway, so just to round up some of the items in the box. So first, the Kuiper's Beauty Antioxidant Dew Serum. Do you see how there's just a soft glow coming through the foundation? And keep in mind, I did use a matte foundation today. So you're still going to get that glow through your foundation. It's really going to help as skincare. Plus, you can use it as a primer, so that is obviously going to be a hit. I do love the lipstick formula. The palette is absolutely everything. Again, I have used this quite a bit this month, and I mean, I'm really enjoying this purple smoky eye thing we've got going on today. I do really like the lashes as well. I feel like I'm going to trim them and just have them be 3/4 lashes for the outside. And then the brushes. So my favorite of the brushes, I like one of the 2 that came in this box. Where are mine? I got to find my set so I don't have to open the new ones. So I really like the smaller of the 2. I feel like this is going to be really beautiful for just patting in foundation or concealer to the under eye. I feel like this will be really nice for like carving out the cheekbone. The powder brush, I feel like it's a little too hard. Maybe if I really want to like finesse something a little bit better. But honestly, I feel like this is a little too dense for how big it is. I would want it to be somewhere in between the 2 of these. But that being said, for the price of the box, obviously, if you like 1 or 2 items, you are getting your money's worth. All in all, this box is a $203 value, and the box retails for $25. So even if you only like the lashes or only like the palette, you are still getting more than your money's worth. So obviously, I'm happy with this box. This is probably one of the better boxes we've gotten this year, all things considered. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!